Okay, so we're going to talk about Canvas notifications. So, from any device, you should be able to click on your account and notice this first button. This first button is very important. This will apply to all of your Canvas courses, not just this one. So, broadly speaking, you can get an email to your MyVikings unless you change this email, or a push notification to your devices, so your phone in the vast majority of cases. You have to have the Canvas app downloaded before you get a push notification to your phone. So make sure that you have this app downloaded, and then I would recommend keeping both of these. Don't just do either or. It's not going to hurt anything to keep an email notification. Plus, you get a record. Right. So in your My Vikings is you can set it to where after you've uploaded something you get a notification, and so that'll have a time and a date stamp on it. That's good evidence in your case that you uploaded or you tried to upload something. If you have a lightning storm or just the gremlins or something like that get you, and your document did in fact not upload. Right. So keep those set. My two big ones are announcements and submission comments. So will you please set these two? So announcements, just in terms of maybe you lose track of the course, and I try to do this for most assignments. I don't get every single one, but if you have a quiz or reading questions coming up, I'll usually post and just a reminder. So that way you don't necessarily have to go in and click, because I'm assuming that you have an email or a push notification set, and I can remind you that way. So likewise, when I make submission comments, these are for the future. These are to help you for the next time. But some students just don't read them because they don't have this set. They don't know about submission comments to start out with or whatever. So if I'm telling you, you need to not use quoted material to advance your point. Like, you need to convey the information and just use some quoted material, some evidence to support what you say. Right? If we could go half the course, and then you send me, maybe you get angry about it, send me a message, well, why am I counting off? And I've been writing for over half the course the reasons why you're getting points deducted, but you're just not seeing it. Right? So at that point, people go, oh my gosh, I just didn't see that. And so don't get in that situation, basically, because it's silly to lose easy points. And this is not supposed to be a difficult course. A lot of these things can be easily fixed. So we're thinking topic ideas for answering these questions, and then answer it in your words, and then get some evidence in there, integrate that evidence successfully, and then you should master the content by doing all these things. All right, so you can go through the rest of these on your own. Those are my two big ones. Please set announcements and submission comments.